Hello everyone, my name is Helen. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I import Chinese characters into Blender. Currently, I don't think there's a way to put Chinese characters into Blender, so we have to find a workaround. This method works for me, but if you have a faster and more efficient way of doing so, please comment it down below. Sometimes I use Chinese characters in my Blender renders, and if you are interested in seeing my 3D artworks, my Instagram handle is HelenMelon3D Art, so check it out. Without further ado, let's get started. Here we have the cube. We are going to delete the cube to start this tutorial. We are now going to separate the viewport into two panels like this. We are going to the corner there and clicking on that drop down menu, and we are going to find text editor and click on that. A black screen will appear, and now you have to click the new button. Now all you have to do is go to Google Translate and copy whatever Chinese characters we want to put into Blender. Now you just write whatever word you want. If you have the pinyin, you can just go to like detect language and then write the pinyin there, and yeah. But once you have the Chinese character, all you have to do is click the copy button right over here. Back to Blender. Now we're just going to paste it beside the number 1. It's a bit small, so we're going to view and then click on sidebar and increase the font size if you want to. Now we are just going to put the Chinese character into our viewport. So go to Edit, Text to 3D Object, and then click One Object. Now you can't see the character, but it's there because Blender does not provide Chinese characters like the font for it, so you have to look for it yourself. So all you have to do is go on like Google Fonts or like fonts for Chinese or whatever, and then pick a font. So in the properties panel, go to the A button and then click on the font area. Click on the folder icon, and there it is. It was there all along, except Blender doesn't have the necessary font for it. Anyways, you can also go to geometry, and you can also go down to extrude to make it like thicker. And let's say I wanted to write something else, so let's go back to Google Translate and write whatever. So we are going to do the same thing as before. We are going to copy the Chinese characters and put it in Blender. But we don't have to go through the tedious text editor routine again. We can just copy and paste, like paste our words into Blender like this, into the viewport. And there it is. Da kai. I'm sorry, I'm studying Mandarin right now, and obviously the pronunciation is not there, but da kai, open. And that's it. You can copy and paste and do all that stuff. So have fun with your Chinese characters. And that was it. Thank you so much for watching, and hit the like button if you enjoyed today's content. And also hit the subscribe button to get notified when I post a new Blender tutorial or time-lapse. Currently, my video master to-do list is empty, so if there is anything you would like me to do, just comment down below. And also, if you have any comments or questions about today's video, please comment them down below and I'll try my best to answer them. If I can't answer them using text, I will do a separate video addressing those comments. I also have another YouTube channel. It's a crocheting YouTube channel, and actually I do one-handed crocheting. If you are interested or curious about that, I'll leave the playlist, not the playlist, but the channel down below in the description box, so check it out. I also wrote a Medium blog post of why you should start Blender in 2023, so if you would like to read instead of watch, the links are down below. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all the YouTubes that I just mentioned. Yeah, I also have a TikTok, a crocheting TikTok, so if you would like to follow me on TikTok, then you should do that too. Anyways, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you later. Bye!